Hello everybody, it is your girl.
Alright guys, before you watch this video, I just want to let you know that this is going to be part 1 of this haul. This is going to be part 1. Next week, part 2 is going to go up. So yeah, enjoy this video and stay tuned for part 2 next Wednesday.
Bria Van Kooten, and welcome back to another video. Today, as you guys can read by the title, we are doing a fall collective haul. I always feel like I say that because I'm always shopping. You guys know I'm a shopaholic. I'm always shopping, and I have been collecting quite a few pieces, so it is time to show you guys what I got. Let's get into the video. Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten, and I am back with a new video. Alright guys, so we are here. Let's jump right into it. We're not gonna waste any time. The only thing I'm gonna say is everything that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna try to find, and I'm gonna try to link it in the description box. So you guys, if you want anything, definitely go to my description box and click the link, shop, and all that. So yeah, let's get into it. First things first, we're gonna start off with some things that are small. I got a new fragrance. If you guys watched my haul a couple months ago, I got the Gucci Guilty fragrance, and then I wanted another fragrance just so I'm not always using the Gucci fragrance. So I got me Rihanna. Yeah, I got this one, the red bottle. There's this bottle, there's the black one, and then there's a like light nude one. I got this red one. It smells so good, so when I'm not using the Gucci one, I'm using this one, so I have two to go back and forth with. And speaking of Rihanna, we're gonna get into her lingerie. I got 3 pieces from her new collection. You guys know during Fashion Week, Rihanna had her Fenty, SavagexFenty runway show, and right after the show, I went and bought some pieces because I keep saying I'm a shopaholic and I'm annoying. So I saw some pieces that I liked and I went in. The first thing that I really wanted was the bodysuit that had like Fenty all over it. But I got on the website. I am part of the VIP SavagexFenty VIP thing. I signed up and all of that part of it because I think it's a good thing. You get a percentage off, you get money off, you get first access to things, you get access to the VIP boxes and all of that. So I did get a discount on this bodysuit, but I just felt like I am not going to wear that enough. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna ditch the bodysuit for now. But what I got 3 items. The first item that I got was this bra. It was the bra that has Fenty all over it. I did get like the Fenty labeled pieces. This, and then in the front, it clips in the front, and it just has the SavagexFenty logo clipped in the front in this like golden rose goldy look. So I definitely love this. I love the black, I love the lace, I love the Fenty all over it. Very luxury, very high end, and it feels good. I tried it on already. It feels good. It's very comfortable. Starting off with that, and then of course you gotta have the matching set, and I got the thong. I don't have a black thong, so I was like, that's a shame. I need me a black thong because that's definitely like the base shade. You have to have some kind of black something. I have a whole bunch of black like regular underwear, boy shorts and all that, but I don't have a black thong. So I got the matching thong. There's SavagexFenty all over it. It has this nice gold detailing just like the bra. It matches. And then what really just, ooh, I was like, yes, the back hook. Wait, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, the logo in the back. Hold on. The logo in the back. That's at the back of your butt, guys. Fire, 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 fire. So I got thong, and then I just got the matching panty as well. So I got the regular matching panty. I got the thong, has the same detailing in the front. I got the thong and I got the bra. So a 3 set. That's what I got from SavagexFenty. This purchase was everything. Like, so we started off with all the little small things. The next thing that I got are some new sunglasses, some new shades. You guys know, if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I love shades, I love sunglasses, I love eyewear in general. So I got these shades. One of my old manager from Steve Madden, she got them for my birthday, but she gave it to me on my last day working at Steve Madden. She was like, she wanted to wait till the end, so she gave it to me on my last day. They're from Quay Australia. You guys know this sunglasses brand, very popular here on the tubes and the grams. So she got me this. She gave me the case and I was like, I saw QA, I was like, ah, Quay, yes. They're so fire. Definitely very much 90s vibes. When I saw it, I was like, yes, so 90s. And the outfit that I was wearing that day, these went so perfect with them. Oh, I love them. And the tint of the blue into the so fire. My mom even loves these. Like, she wore them twice already when she was going out, because she was like, oh no, these look great, and these look great with what she was wearing. So yeah, got these. Shout out to Ariani, my old manager. Thank you, baby. Shout out to you, because I love these. Like, she's like, I hope you like them. I'm like, yes, I love them, and I love shades. So, and they're Quay, so can't go wrong with that. So yeah, moving right along, let's see what we're going to start. I want to end with shoes, so I'm gonna go on this side. Let's go into some clothing items. All right, so I made a purchase with H&M during the summer. It was my birthday. My birthday's in July. My cousin gave me an H&M gift card, and I went and I shopped and I got a couple of items. So let's go into the H&M section of this video. H&M pieces. So okay, first things first, at the top I got this hoodie. This hoodie is from the men's section. Actually, I love shopping in the men's section, the women's section, the kids section, whatever, because I can fit all of them. You just have to know your sizing. So, and I feel like the men's hoodies fit better than the women's hoodies. It just has like a different fit, a different feel. And even though, because this is extra small in men's, it still has an oversized feel to it because it is men's. So I like shopping, especially hoodies, in the men's section. So yeah, got this hoodies in the basics, you know, the H&M basics hoodie. Got that, has the little drawstring right here. I love this color, and it just gives me like Yeezy vibes. Like, that's what it does. When I saw it, I was like, oh, this is gonna be fire. Like, I could do a nice little monochromatic look with my Yeezys. Like, this will be fire. Or just with some boots or whatever. Item number 2 we're gonna get into is this jumpsuit. This black denim jumpsuit, which I was nervous about. It's very long, so it goes, yeah, just a black like denim jumpsuit, work suit, if you will. I was scared about this because I am a short girl. I'm 5 foot nothing. I'm petite, I'm small, and jumpsuits scare me. I like them, but they scare me because I'm short, and they usually are mostly catered to taller women. So when I saw it online, I thought it was beautiful. I really liked it, but I was like, ooh, hopefully it fits me. Got it, and it fits so great. So I'm really shocked. Shout out to H&M for this. So I'm super happy. Okay, Google Home. Yeah, it fits really nice up here. It has buttons, as you guys can see, so you can like button it down and give like a nice little cleavage look. It fits wide leg at the bottom, which I love. I love a good wide leg pant. It has pockets in the front, has pockets in the back, and it has a belt around the waist, so you can cinch that waist in, and I live. So definitely giving 5 stars to this. I really like it, and it still has like a fitted feel, but still baggy at the same time. So I love that. So yeah, moving right along, next thing I got was another like cream nude off-white type color. I got this from the Ariana Grande collection with H&M. Ariana had a collection, a little, not collection, but like a little merch type of look, because since her tour was this summer, I guess they did like a little Ariana Grande thing going on. So they had like t-shirts, shirts, skirts, like just different little, like a little capsule, if you will. So I got this like long sleeve sweatshirt with her on the front, and it says 7 rings. right here. You guys already know her song. And then in the back it has Ariana Grande back here. But I love this. It feels really nice and I'm excited to style it. I don't have a lot of like long sleeve. I have a lot of t-shirts, but not like a lot of like long sleeve sweatshirts like this. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I need that. And then last but not least, I got this 2-piece like set. These are pajamas, but I am going to wear them outside of the house. I'm not gonna wear them as pajamas. I love buying pajama sets and wearing it out the house as like a look, like an outfit, because it's fire. Like, look at this. Got the pant right here. Look at that. Fire. And then we got the top right here. A nice, easy 2-piece monochromatic look. Just run out your house. You can wear it with sneakers, boots, shoes, heels, whatever floats your boat. And I just love the color, this blue and then the stripes, the white. Mwah. I live. So shout out for H&M for those purchases. H&M is a hit or miss with me because they're a little iffy, but these purchases I love, so shout out to them. So yeah, moving right along, let's get into some miscellaneous clothing items. At the top, we got a purchase from Forever 21. I walked in one day to make a return and I ended up making an exchange because I saw this and I was like, I need it. So Forever 21 has been doing collabs. They had a Cheetos collab, they had a Baby Fat collab, and then I walked in and they had a collab with K-Swiss. And if you grew up in my generation, I'm 26 years old. If you grew up around that time era, you guys know what K-Swiss is. A lot of people had their sneakers. I didn't have them, but I know a lot of people had their sneakers and clothing when I was growing up in like elementary school and junior high and stuff. So when I saw this, it was very nostalgic and I was like, this is cute. And this set was really cute. Never thought that their stuff was cute before and never thought that their sneakers were cute. I thought the K-Swiss sneakers was pretty ugly when I was growing up. So, but when I saw this little set, I thought this was so cute. So this is the skirt. It's like a nice off-white knitted midi skirt. That's like the K-Swiss logo right there. And then it's a matching set. I love it for a matching set. We got this low-cut V sweater. Has the stripes and then the little K-Swiss logo right there. Super cute. And then it kind of like falls a little off the shoulder type thing, and I live. When I saw this, I was like, nah, I need this. And I came home and I tried it on and I was in love because it fits so bomb. So yeah, had to cop that. Shout out to Forever 21 for that. Then I went into Urban Outfitters one day and I got this cropped ribbed sweater, little fuzzy sweater, cropped. This gave me so much nostalgia because it just felt like 90s vibes. Definitely 90s Janet Jackson, Clueless, Mean Girls, early 2000s. Like, it just gave me so much nostalgia. It was so cute. It fits so nice. I've worn it twice. I've worn it during Fashion Week and then I've worn it again one random other time, but I love it. Can't wait to style it with like shirts and stuff. The first 2 times I wore it, I didn't wear nothing underneath. I just literally nothing. I was naked. I just had that, well, not naked, but I had no bra or nothing, like no t-shirt, no nothing underneath. It was just that. So yeah, super cute, super comfortable. Shout out to Urban Outfitters. Definitely a cute price because obviously it's Urban Outfitters, but it was worth it. It was worth the nostalgia. So yeah, got that. Moving right along, I went up for a fetch during the summer and I just picked up an item. I got one item. It was these Calvin Klein boyfriend jeans. Ooh, that blue. And I don't really live for jeans. I'm not a jeans girl. I could count the amount of jeans in my hand. I love pants, trousers, smart pants. I love a good pants. But I saw these jeans and I was like, these are fire. Baggy boyfriend jeans with a wide leg cuff. I wore these once with a blazer, and then it has like Calvin Klein thing on the back in this orange. Super fire, super oversized, kind of big, but it's worth it. Like, it was the last size and I was like, nah, I need this. No, it was actually 2 sizes left. It was a 27 and a 29. I'm usually like a 26, 27, so I risked it all and I got it. It ended up being a little big, but it's supposed to be baggy, so I really didn't care. And then it came with this matching Calvin Klein denim bag. which I was like, okay, I'm here for it. A nice little free gift. So shout out to Farfetch and Browns, which is a London based store. So yeah, that was my purchase from Farfetch.
Alright guys, like I said in the beginning, this is part 1 of this haul. This haul ended up being longer than I wanted it to be, so I split it in 2 parts. So this is part 1. Part 2 will go up next Wednesday, so stay tuned for that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on IG at Bria Van Kooten. Check out my new IGTV video. I will link it in the description box, so check that out. Go check out the other videos as well. And yeah, like I said, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Peace and love.